subject and verb agreement. The words and phrases each one, either, neither, no one, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, at anybody ay ang mga salita at mga pariralang isa lang ang bilang. Ibig sabihin, ang dapat na gamitin natin pandiwa kapag sila ang ating simuno sa pangungusap ay isa lang din ang bilang o nasa singular form. Let's have this example. Everybody wants to join the contest. In this sentence, we have the subject, everybody. At ang verb natin ay ang salitang wants. At makikita natin na nasa S form ang ating verb, yun ay may bilang na isa. Ibig sabihin, singular ang form nito or ang bilang nito dahil ang ating simuno or subject ay everybody. At ang bilang ng everybody ay tama, isa. So, kailangan magkasundo ang bilang ng simuno at ng ating pandiwa. So, tama ang ating gamit. Singular subject takes a singular verb. Let's have this next example. Each of the participants was willing to be recorded. Dito sa ating sentence, ang ginamit natin dito ay ang salitang each. At alam naman natin na ang bilang nito ay isa. So, hindi natin papansinin yung participants. Doon tayo mag-focus sa each. Now, ang verb na ginamit natin dito ay was. Isa ang bilang nito, ang panahon na nito ay pang nakalipas or pang nakaraan na. Okay? Pero ang pansinin natin na ang ginamit natin ay singular dahil ang ating subject dito ay each. Don't be confused with this particular rule. Next, nobody wants to be on my team. Dito sa ating pangungusap, number 3, ang ginamit natin ay nobody. Of course, sabi sa rule, isa lang ang bilang nito, kaya ang verb na dapat gamitin ay singular. Okay? So, walang sino man ang gustong maging bahagi ng aking kupunan. So, that's it. Next example. Someone is hiding behind the door. In this sentence, gumamit tayo ng subject na indefinite pronoun na someone. At alam natin ang bilang ito ay isa. Kaya ang verb na ginamit dito ay is at hindi are. So, you cannot say someone are hiding behind the door. Basic, right? It's just time. Piliin ang tamang verb na dapat gamitin sa ating mga pangungusap. Number 1. Nobody blank expecting his presence. A, was, B, were. The correct answer is was. Nobody was expecting. Next, someone has or have his own sandwich. The correct answer is A, has. Someone, singular. Each of the family members has or have one vote. Each. The correct answer is has. Neither of my friends want or wants to go with you. The correct answer is wants with S. Neither, singular. Anyone wanting to enter the contest need or needs to complete the form. The correct answer is needs. Needs to complete. Anyone, singular. How about this last one? Everybody was or were shocked that the contestant chose that song. Is it was or were? What's gonna be the answer? Share your answer in the comments.